Welcome back to the channel Stocks Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market on Monday. At the close in NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.08%, while the S&P 500 declined 0.39%, and the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 1.20%. At the close in Frankfurt, the DAX declined 0.45%, while the MDAX acquired 0.39%, and the Tech DAX declined 0.06%. At the close in Paris, the CAC 40 declined 0.23%, while the SBF 120 index fell 0.19%. At the close in Tel Aviv, the TA35 added 0.65%. At the close in Copenhagen, the OMX Copenhagen 20 acquired 0.38%. Spirit Airlines stock rose 15% after JetBlue Airways down 1.3%, sent off hostile all-cash takeover bid for its more modest adversary days after Spirit diverted down a proposal from the discount carrier. McDonald's stock fell 0.3% after the burger giant reported it will sell its business in Russia following 30 years of operations, saying proceeds with proprietorship is no longer tenable, nor is it consistent with McDonald's values. Twitter stock fell 2.2% after Elon Musk tweeted over the course of the end of the week that the social informing stage's legitimate group blamed him for violating a non-disclosure agreement by revealing the sample size for its checks on automated users. Carvana stock rose 12% after the used car retailer gauged huge center profit for 2023 while illustrating plans to get control over costs. Ryanair ADRs fell 2.4% after the Irish aircraft detailed a €355 million yearly misfortune and cautioned of a fragile recuperation on carrier traveler numbers. Japan's biggest loan specialist Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group Incorporated said on Monday it expects a 12% drop in yearly net benefit because of market unpredictability and an unsure monetary viewpoint, subsequent to scoring a record benefit for the earlier year. Renault is to sell its greater part stake in carmaker Avtovaz to a Russian science foundation allegedly for only €1 with a 6-year choice to repurchase it, inviting the French carmaker's return. Microsoft Corp said it will almost twofold its financial plan for employee salaries and lift the scope of stock pay it gives laborers by somewhere around 25%, essentially influencing early to mid-career employees, to hold staff and assist with people adapting to rising inflation. Lockheed Martin Corp has been granted 2 agreements worth $309 million by the U.S. Armed Force for its Javelin rockets, the anti-tank weapon that has assisted Ukraine with battling Russia's intrusion, the organization said on Monday. Credit Bank of Moscow, one of Russia's biggest private lenders, has gotten a gold commodity permit from the government, it said on Monday, turning into the furthest down-the-line Russian bank to go to valuable metals exchange to counterbalance the effect of sanctions. Wix.com Limited announced income before the open Monday, missing profit assesses yet detailing surprisingly high income. Income came in at $341.6 million over the $340.44 million conjectures. ManTech International Corp on Monday consented to a $3.93 billion all-cash managed Carlyle Group Incorporated as the private value firm reinforces its arrangement of U.S. safeguard workers for hire. Weber shares are down generally 12% in pre-market Monday after the organization announced net deals for the second quarter that missed the typical expert gauge. Shares of NIO were exchanging 4% higher on Monday after Bank of America expert Ming-Hu Sun Lee moved up to buy from neutral with a $26 per share cost focus, up from $25. Wedbush expert Michael Pachter updated Netflix offers to outperform from neutral with a $280 per share value target. The overhaul call depends on assumptions that the streaming giant will exceed its guidance for Q2 in the midst of the stunned delivery date for Ozark. On weekdays, Saudi investors decided to invest a large amount of money in Vodafone. To get more information, click the previous video on our YouTube channel.